Everyone claims they'll teach you how to make money from Facebook, but few are actually making real money from Facebook. I'm gonna give you the sauce, the steps that you need to follow if you want to build, grow, and scale a Facebook page in 2026. Step number one, you need to create a Facebook page. Now, at this point, if you don't know how to create a Facebook page, this is fairly simple to do. You can just go to facebook.com, make sure you're logging into your profile, or just go to facebook.com/create. It will allow you to create a Facebook page fairly easy, takes less than a minute. Now, the reason why we want to work with a Facebook page instead of a Facebook profile, even though you can monetize Facebook profiles, is because Facebook pages give you far more opportunities to make money. So if I were to start from scratch and I wanted to make as much money as possible from Facebook, I would start with a Facebook page. Now, if you already have a brand, you make content on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, you want to make sure that the name actually matches the same way on Facebook, meaning that if you have a YouTube channel, make sure it's the same name on Facebook. If you're just starting a Facebook page to make money, you want to make sure that the name of the page matches the topic or niche of your content. Step number two, post consistent content. You need to be posting at least 2 to 4 times a day initially for the first 90 days of launching your Facebook page. This is the right amount that we have seen when we're trying to scale Facebook page. We're trying to grow it from zero. Essentially, by posting 2 to 4 times a day gives us way more opportunities to find and test different content ideas to see what actually works for that specific niche. So what type of content should you be posting? Well, very simple: text, photos, and videos. Those are the top 3 types of formats that will make you the most money once you're fully monetized on Facebook. Let's say you have a cat meme page. You can post videos about cats, you can post text about cats, you can post photos about cats. So you basically want to stick to those specific topics and just create as much content as you can around that topic and post consistently at least twice a day. But if you can post more, definitely post more. The more you post at the beginning, the more feedback you will get from the algorithm, and you will see which types of content are performing best. Step number 3, launch Facebook ads. Now, this is an optional step. You don't necessarily need to launch Facebook ads, but it's definitely something that we do for ourselves and our clients because it helps us get to that finish line faster, especially if you're not monetized. You want to get monetized as quickly as possible. Launching Facebook ads does help your Facebook page with specifically more reach, more views for your videos and your content, and it actually helps you get pushed more in the algorithm. Now, you don't really need to spend that much money. There's this misconception that you need to spend hundreds of dollars essentially to be able to run ads for your Facebook page. That's not the case. You can start with $5 per day and just get a few 20, 30, 40 new followers a day to your Facebook page that are closely matching the type of follower that you want. And essentially what you're trying to do is essentially tell the algorithm, these are the type of followers that I want, and this is the type of content that I'll be making for those followers. This is gonna make your monetization journey far easier because essentially what you're trying to do is speed up the process of getting monetized and grow your Facebook page a little bit faster than just waiting for the algorithm to push your content and hopefully go viral. So no, launching Facebook ads does not hurt your Facebook page. Trust me, I have essentially every single Facebook page we have built past 100,000 followers. We have used Facebook ads without any problems, and we continue to make money from those pages. Number 4, focus on tier 1 audiences. This is going to be crucial for you once you're fully monetized because this is what's really going to help you make the most money from your content. And as of making this video in December, Facebook has not released yet the requirements for monetization. So the only way to get into the content monetization program is essentially being invited by Facebook. Now, this will definitely change over the next few months. In 2026, we should have specifically the type of requirements that we'll need in terms of number of followers, views, or anything else that they'll be asking for in order to get fully monetized with your Facebook page. But as of now, the only way to get in is by getting that invitation. Now, that invitation is not difficult to get. Most Facebook pages that we launch get them in the first 90 days. And one of the metrics that definitely helps to get that invitation a lot quicker is by having a tier 1 audience, meaning that you have followers from the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, just to give you a few examples of countries that will help you get that invitation for monetization. That's because Facebook values the audiences from those countries a little bit higher because there's more advertisers spending money in those places. So the bigger your tier 1 audience, the more likely you are to get invited into the content monetization program, and the more likely you are to make money from your content once you're fully monetized. Number 5, double down on top performers. You wouldn't believe how many people don't know exactly what is working for them on Facebook, and they just post random content hoping that something will take off and they will go viral. And that's not actually the case. You really have to dive deep into your data, understand what are the topics, the formats that are working best for your page, and just double down on that as much as you can. So if it means that your videos are making the most money, what exactly is inside of those videos? Is it the hook? Is it the length of the video? Is it the actual video topic or context of the video? If photos are making the most money for your Facebook page, you double down on those photos by posting more and finding out exactly what you did with those top performing photos. So you really have to dive deep into your data. The best way to do that is by using the Meta Business Suite. So if you go to business.facebook.com, you should be able to access the Meta Business Suite for your Facebook page. You can go to the Insights section, and there you can sort by top performing posts based on specific formats. So you can see exactly how much reach and shares your photos, your reels, your texts, all of that is getting, and you can basically see what's working for your page. Once you identify those top performing posts, you double down on those. Double down simply means that we create more videos, more photos, more text, whatever that is, around that specific idea or context in order to get more views and reach more people. Number 6, you need to repost and re-upload your top performers. So the beauty about Facebook is once you're fully monetized, you can continue to make money from the content over and over again. Unlike other social media platforms like YouTube, you upload a video, you make money from that video, and that's it. But on Facebook, because there's so many opportunities to make money from your content, you can potentially make money from videos that you posted 90 days ago, from photos, from text, and all you have to do is either repost or re-upload. And we do this all the time across multiple Facebook pages because this is one of the easiest ways for you to increase your posting frequency, meaning that if you are posting 3 times a day, by taking content that was posting 90 days ago that did well for you in the past, you can repost it again and continue to make money from that same piece of content. That is the beauty about Facebook monetization, and that's what a lot of content creators don't realize about Facebook, is that the content that you make starts to stack up and essentially allows you to increase your revenue by reusing the same content that made you money 3 months ago. And number 7, scale your revenue. This is where you really need to dive deep into your analytics and find out what are the things that I need to be doing in order to scale my revenue. Is it increasing my tier 1 audiences because I have more tier 2 and tier 3 inside of my demographics, and so I need to get a higher RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, on my content? In order for me to do that, I would need more tier 1 audiences. Or perhaps you need to increase your posting frequency. If you're posting 4 times a day, how can I post 5, 6, 7 times a day in order to make more money? So you need to figure out what are the things that are working best for your page. Once you have at least 1, 2, or 3 months of data of consistent revenue from your Facebook page, you need to figure it out. How do I scale my revenue even more? What are the formats that are working best for me? What are my videos? How can I improve my videos? Is it better hooks? Is it essentially posting longer videos to help me make more money? Is it the retention or watch time of my videos that I need to improve in order to get more ads on my videos so I can make more money? Anyone that tells you that you can just make money by posting a few texts per day is completely lying to you, because the Facebook pages that really make a lot of money from text, photos, and stories and all that stuff are Facebook pages that typically have multiple millions of followers. And trust me when I say this, we do have Facebook pages with multiple millions of followers that are able to make a lot of money from text and photos. But in order to get to those levels, it took years to be able to get there. So if you're just starting out with a Facebook page, if you can get to 10, 50, 100,000 followers in the first 3 to 6 months, that should be enough for you to make a consistent revenue from your Facebook page, where you can make $2, $3, $4, $5,000 per month from Facebook by using a combination of formats, meaning that you're posting reels, you're posting photos, you're posting text consistently and scaling down and increasing your posting frequency with top performing content. And the way to get there is understanding the data, looking every single week, what are your top performance, what are the topics that are performing best and being pushed by the algorithm, so I can create more content like that and continue to scale my revenue. Now, when it comes to actually scaling Facebook pages to $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month, there's a lot of different things that play a major factor when it comes to determining how much you can make from your page. And because we have access to so many Facebook pages and data, I can tell you exactly what are the metrics that can make you the most money on Facebook once you're fully monetized. So I suggest you watch this video next, because this video will break down exactly the things that you need to do in order to make the most money possible from your Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.